the past few years, we have traveled to millions of campgrounds across the United States.
Almost that many, not quite, almost.
Yeah.
And across our journeys, we found there are 5 unwritten courtesies that help all of us have a better experience.
Yeah. So we're gonna share those right now.
Let's go.
Hello, neighbor.
Hello. Good day. The weather's lovely. Are you enjoying your stay? The camp store has some fabulous items. Great day for pickleball.
Hi, new neighbor. Welcome to the neighborhood. I see you're from Georgia. Yeah. What interstate did you take to get here? And was it a long way?
The main interstate.
Oh, so the main interstate, yeah. Was it like 75 or 85? Well, okay, great. You like nice weather? I do too. I love nice weather. Hello, new neighbor. I see you're busy with the important task of safely unhitching your 7,000-pound home. So
that's true.
When you're finished, I'd like to chat later.
That sounds great. Hi, buddy. Hi. Thanks to my neighbors for leaving their unnecessary porch lights off. We'll see the Milky Way tonight. So now get out there and enjoy the Milky Way because you can see it now. The birds singing, enjoy the campfire with the family.
And if you like this video, slap that like button and subscribe to this channel. And we'll be back with more.
See you next time.